Hey guys, my name is Jennifer DiDomenico. I'm the entertainment editor here at the Osceola News-Gazette. And today we are leaving the office and we are celebrating Christmas, which is kind of crazy because my car temperature says that it's 87 degrees right now. But we are celebrating Christmas and we're gonna go check out the new tree trail happening over at Disney Springs. Today is the first day, it's November 8th, so I'm super excited to share this with you, and let's go check it out. All right, here we are at the Disney Springs Christmas tree trail. Oh my gosh, it's snowing. That's so fun. We can get all cozy by the fire. Turn the music up then oh high. I don't think that I could ever fly. That concludes the tree trail, but right at the end here we have a visit with Santa, so families can wait in line and come get their photo taken. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed a first look at this year's Disney Springs Christmas